Okay, so this is week 4, exam transformation. We're going to do a correction for it. So let's start off with the first one.
Just a second.
Okay, here we go. All right, first page. If he circled it, is that wrong or is that right? I don't get it. Okay, which of the following describe the way the graph moves? First thing, I can say that this is a cubic function, right? -2 means that it reflects over the x-axis, right? And that's it. And also, if it's a 2, that means it is narrow, right? So I see that this is definitely reflecting over the x-axis. This one says that, correct? And this one says that, correct? It's not B, C, or D, correct? So shrink stretches. I think it does shrink the graph, but I think he wants stretch. Is that correct? Do you think that?
Don't you move 2 down and 1 to the side, though?
No, you don't. You don't move 2 down. Moving 2 down means you will have to have a -2 here, and we don't have that. Does that make sense? This 2 right here just means that it's narrow, more narrow. Do you get that? So I'm thinking that he probably thinks it is going to be shrinks the graph. Or I'm sorry, stretch the graph. But I'm just going to check to make sure.
Mom.
I need you to be quiet, please. So it will be B. Do you understand? Okay, so go ahead and do that right now. Get that done before we move on to the next one. So you need some assistance. I do have the answer right here.
You get the
So I didn't get anything. What are the coordinates of the vertex of this graph? This one you should not have gotten wrong. The vertex is going to be a -2 and a -5. So which one did you put down?
B.
Okay, this is an easy one. I don't understand how you got that one wrong. That is ridiculous. This is the a x minus h squared plus k. Do you see the negative right there? So when you pull the number out, it will be the opposite sign. That is the easy one. You should not have gotten that one wrong. Number 4, read it, please.
What is the domain and range of f(x)?
What is f of x? Is it the left one, number 3? Is it number 3? Or what is f of x? Okay. Domain is x value, correct? This way to this way. So what would that be? What's the domain?
My domain is negative infinity, positive.
Or all real number, correct? So let's look and see which domain says that. Domain, all real number. That's not A and B, or this one, correct? Then you look at the range, which is y. Look at going up and look at going down. How far down does it go to? -4, correct? How far up does it go to? Infinity. So you could do -4, comma, positive infinity, or y is greater or equal to -4. So which one is it going to be, C or D? So you pick D. When you pick D and you look at this and it says y is less or equal to -4, That means you're including everything that's below -4. You need to double check your work. And that is another one. That is a very easy one. You should not have made a mistake on that one. Do you understand? Let me know when you're ready for the next one. Did you miss any of the other ones over here?
Circle the equation for number 5 and 2.
So let's just go ahead and correct it, okay? Maybe he'll give you half that. So write down for number 5. For the function below, name the parent function. So this is a cubic, we know that, right?
Yeah.
So cubic, good. Oh, the equation's wrong, correct?
Yeah.
So the cubic function is this, y equals x, correct? This part is all the way down to -4, correct? So it just went down 4. It didn't go to the right or left. So it's just -4. Or is it cubic? Oh, it is a cubic function. Sorry, x to the third. Like that.
Yeah.
And that's it. I will not say that it's skinny or anything because I don't know. It looks normal to me. Does that make sense?
Mm.
And then the range is correct. The domain's correct. That's it. Yeah. So just correct it. Okay. Yeah. It looks like you got the really hard questions wrong, but you got the easy ones. The really hard questions right, but you got the easy ones wrong. Do you understand that?
Mm.
Yeah. So make sure you check your work. All right, let's go on to the next one on the back side. What other one? The domain here for number 7. Okay. This one, it's just gonna go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? The parent function looks like this. This one, because there's a 2 right there. Oh, actually, no, it's gonna be normal. Do you understand? Because the function is y equals base of 2 to the x. That's normal, okay? Now, if this is y equals 1/2 2 to the x, then you know it's gonna be stretched, right? So this is gonna be the same, okay? So then when you're looking for the domain is left and right. Left and right, correct? How far to the left does it go? 0. How far to the right does it go? Positive infinity. You put a -0, is that what it is? 0 to positive infinity.
No, just put 0.
That's, or you could put y is greater or equal to 0. Do you understand? So just make sure you have these two answers for the domain. I don't know why he circled that, but it looks, I don't know why he circled it, but your range is correct. Did he count that one?
No, I don't think he docked off any points.
But then which one did he dock off?
He didn't dock off number 7, I don't think.
Did he count question number 1 and 2 as the same as question number 7? Because number 7 requires a lot more work. Okay. Any other ones that you got wrong? So why does it say +2 here? Does that mean you got part of it wrong, or what does that mean?
I'm pretty sure that was an extra question.
But then if that's an extra credit question, then how did you miss 10 points here? I'm confused. How did you get a 44 out of 54? I know, but what does that mean? I have no idea what that means. You might want to ask him, okay? Ask about point breakdown. Does that make sense? How is a 44 out of 54?
Maybe count to the one that you thought was partial credit.
Well, I don't know, and that's what I'm asking you, but you can't answer it because it wouldn't make any sense if 1 is weighted the same as 6. 6 requires 3 different answers. Do you understand that? Like number 1 versus number 6. You might even ask him about that. So is 1 worth 1 point because it's technically 1 answer, but 6 is worth 3 points because it's 3 answer? He has an idea, okay? You might want to ask him about that. So make sure you ask. Yes? Tomorrow. Yeah? Are we done? Perfect. Let's go to the gym. Pack up your stuff, staple it together, okay, and turn it up, but you need to answer the thing on the right column, okay? But do you understand? Like you made some really, really simple mistakes. Like I'm glad that you didn't make the mistake on number 11 because that one is kind of difficult, right? But then if you got this one correct, you should get number 1 and 2 right. Number 1 was kind of an oversight because the wording is weird because technically it's not stretching, it's shrinking because it does get more narrow. Okay, but the vocab is weird, but that's okay. All right, that's it. This weekend, make sure you keep all of this because when you guys take the final, the exams are a good way to use them to study for the final. Okay.